Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to create a simple template. Obviously it can be complex too, and also to send that template, that letter, that marketing letter to a group of contacts, which potentially could be leads or clients, etc. So first we need to create your own template. Let's say that we're going to use you can create your own category here, right? And you may manage categories. You can create your own, but in this case I'm gonna, well, marketing letters, we can use this category right here, and I can add it here, but probably I would prefer it if you add your own category, like my own letters or something. It's going to be more clear to you. So in any event, we go here to the template manager. Okay, so we're in categories, and we're going to go to template manager. We're going to add a template. So we're going to put a subject. This is a test marketing letter, and well, the category, we select the category marketing letters, and we don't need to make it available in the dispute center. And here the important part is that I'm gonna put something like dear, and then I'm gonna enter a merge field. I have many types of merge fields as appropriate. Usually it's gonna be as simple as putting the first name, for example. Okay, so be sure that you are pasting that correctly and not deleting any angle brackets, etc. And now you obviously are gonna put the text. So this is the text of my marketing letter. So I'm gonna put whatever text you want, and maybe you're gonna put an end. And if somebody else, meaning another agent, can send the letter, as opposed if it's only you, you're gonna put the name here, your name, and maybe the phone number, whatever. But if it can be sent by any other agent, well, maybe you can put here full name, and maybe you're gonna put here you know, the phone and the web address if you have one in the company setup. Okay, so this is a very just the skeleton of this letter, and then you need to save it. So that's the first step. Second step, we go to the contacts now by clicking contacts here at the top, and well, you have many ways to select. You can, for example, check different contacts here and then select them by clicking this one. For example, I can select these 3, 4, 5, whatever, any number, and then go at the top of the column right here, and then select, and I will select these 5, and then I can send that template to those. But also it would be possible to use the status, you see, and if I want to send it to all the leads I have, I can click on leads here, and I can say select from all, not only from the ones that are selected. So here I have 4 that I had with status lead. So you know, by using the status 1 and the status 2, you can do a lot. So once we have that, you see email selected contacts. So that's what we need to do. Select email selected contacts, and then we go to the category, right? And in this case is this one, and I'm not going to well, I don't need to do anything else actually. So probably I sent it to several emails here. It doesn't matter, but that's as easy as that. Okay, so pretty much that's all. Okay, very simple. All right, thank you.